Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of CrownCAD part modeling, so you can get started with the design process quickly. The lesson covers the basic operations of part modeling. Before drawing the model, you first need to draw the process based on the model concept. Click the New command, choose to create a new part, enter the part document interface. The part document interface mainly includes a toolbar, view toolbar, feature list, document list, and so on. Click the Draw Sketch command, choose the top view plane. Center Rectangle command, draw a 90-120 rectangle. Choose the Fillet command, draw a fillet. Circle command, draw a circle with a diameter of 50. Extruded boss divided by base command, set the depth to 15. Choose the entity face, right-click to bring up the shortcut menu bar, choose the Draw Sketch icon, enter the sketch. Convert Boundary command, convert the circular boundary to a sketch contour. Center Circle command, draw a circle with a diameter of 60. Choose the front view plane, create a new sketch, draw the sweep path. Choose the plane, right-click and select Hide All Planes. Swept Boss divided by base command, select the sweep profile and sweep path, choose the entity surface, right-click, choose the new sketch icon. Line command, select as reference line option, draw reference lines. Center Circle command, draw a circle with a diameter of 40. Corner Rectangle command, draw a rectangle. Control key, select the center line and rectangle edge. Add symmetric constraint. Trim command, trim the excess lines. Extruded boss divided by base command, select form to face, generate solid features. Extruded cut command, draw the back hole. Choose the sketch, right-click, hide the sketch. Chamfer command, add C to chamfer to the hole. Fillet command, add R5 fillet, click the edge line twice. The selection toolbar appears. You can quickly select the required edge line. Choose the elbow and face, create a new sketch. Convert Boundary command, convert the tube edge line to a sketch contour. Center Circle command, draw the flange outer contour. Extruded Boss command, extrude the flange contour. Choose the Special Shaped Hole Wizard command. The flange end faces the drilling face. Click Draw Sketch, draw the hole center point. Hole type, choose straight hole, drill size 7, depth 20. Circular Pattern command, choose feature pattern. Feature, choose straight hole. Axis, choose flange cylinder surface. Create the base connection hole. Choose the Special Shaped Hole Wizard command. The base top plane is the drilling face. Click Draw Sketch, draw the hole center point. Exit the sketch. Type, choose counterbore. Set the relevant parameters. Complete the counterbore. Linear Pattern command, generate the base installation hole. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD part modeling basics. Now, visit www.𝗕𝘀𝗲𝗃 𝗕𝘀𝗄𝗃 to start your design journey.